Nice and easy, easy, easy. Nice and easy. Good. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Oh, it's a shark. Right here. I got him.
You got him?
No, I got him on video.
Oh,
It's a shark. No, you can't see. All right.
Was it big or small?
Small.
The thing was light.
A shark. It was a shark.
Dad,
So 2 sharks, 1 each. Watch out.
didn't you say the girl that says the time with no one honey? Did someone prank her going to McDonald's and getting the chicken and ribs or something?
Yep.
What was it?
Yeah, it's a black woman. And she say, she always fell for anything hotel touch. She always fell for anything. So one day,
Very gullible.
yeah, one day this guy that I work with, that this black guy goes, hey, her name was Corinne. He goes, hey, Corinne. He goes, he still there, the black guy? Anyway, so he goes, one day he's eating this chicken and ribs place. He's eating at his desk. She goes, ooh, oh, wow, that. I'm happy that's cool. That's not. So she goes, ooh, that looks really good. That looks really good. So he goes, oh, look, all right. She goes, oh, that looks really good. No, it's delicious. Oh, where'd you get it? He goes, it was on a chicken rib place. She's like, really? Where? She goes, in Cumberland. He goes, you say, I want chicken ribs. And he goes, when you say it, he goes, you wink at it. You wink at the girl. You go, I want a chicken rib.
At McDonald's or something?
No, it was a chicken rib place, right? Out in the city, right? And then she goes, this was the chicken rib. What? The fucking guy made it up. She felt so bad. She came back. She goes, his name was John Barnes. She goes, John Barnes, I was so foolish. All these people are looking at me like I was crazy. She goes, I kept doing it. I go, chicken and ribs. He goes, how many times you do it? She goes, 3. He goes, no, you gotta do 5. She goes, really? She's so fucking stupid. And she went back.
Really?
Yeah.
What a moron.
She did it 5 times.
Well, you didn't tell me that part.
Yeah, the guy was like this. I was like, what the?
I can't even believe it.
Yeah. And after a while, they were laughing so hard, they gave it to her anyway because they were laughing so hard. Like, she came back again. But anyway, and this is the same woman. It still kills me. What happens is, Bill, when you have an account like in Citibank or Bank of America, right? What she would do, she would go
Oh, yeah, let me
on
get
the
you
weekends.
go on Jersey to drive, right?
No, she lived in Brooklyn.
Oh, yeah.
She would take the kid on the weekend. She'd go to the city, to the Bank of America in the city, or Citibank in this case. I'm like, why would you do that? She's like, oh, no, that's my branch. I'm like, you can go to any Bank of America or any Citibank. She's like, can? She thought she had to go to that one. I'm like, oh my God, you're a moron. That's how she was.
But she